I think we're live. Yes. Finishing my... It's supposed to be cold brew, but it looked like mud juice. Oh, okay, all the ice melt. So now it's like very watery. Do I have water? I have water, okay. Otherwise, it won't be a good, like you will hear me coughing a lot. Oh. It's an unusual stream today. Kind of very happy about it. And I was, let's have some fun. Let's stream from my Mac device. And I plugged it. And it's not working because some protection apparently. So I don't know what it is, but I want it to stream, but I need to figure it out. So like it's a problem for tomorrow's stream. Okay. So we'll be working on that. I'm just cloning right now. Oh, I can share my screen. I can share my screen. So today we'll be working. I've been working on this for the past 2 days, something like that. Why do I not change? What is happening? Did I turn off my computer? It's off. I was like, why the keyboard is not working? Because Frank, you need to turn it on. We'll be working on learning tool. So as you can see, there's nothing. So the goal of today will be making the app clearer because it's a demo, adding instruction here, and prepping because I want to use it on a talk next week. And it's using AI and visions. So like analyzing video and like answering questions and stuff like that. So I thought I could be doing that with you. We'll be doing it through Blazor website. So C#.net website. Right now it's running like you need to have .net, but I will probably wrap it up in a container. So we could just like run the container instead. Attention, it's not Friday.
Bonjour. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. Oh, the shadow is here. Let me put some, I can do light here. Let me put some light so I don't have that little shadow thingy. How are you, Sturdy Dev? Happy to see you. Yeah, I think that will be maybe. There's a little bit of shadow here. I'm sitting today, so that's why shadow are not landing where they usually land. So yeah, I'm good. I really wanted to stream today because like I want to get back at doing it twice a week, and I did try to do it on my Mac and my capture card. Apparently there's some protection and it wasn't working, and I was very tempted to just like go in that rabbit hole and try to make it work. It's like no. The focus is to code and stream. Yeah, twice a week. Long time ago I was doing that. Sorry. When I sit down, my t-shirt went up in my back and it was very uncomfortable. Yeah, a long time ago I was doing that, and then COVID hit, I think, and then I was doing live kind of like every day and stuff, so I stopped.
Bonjour. Hi, how are you today?
Hey GT, it's Friday already. Yeah, This morning I was, and initially I was planning to do it this morning, but I think at the end of the stream last Friday, TBD was saying that he was streaming on Wednesday, so I was like, oh well, you know, I don't want to be too C# developer at the same time. Like, I know we are a smaller circle than others, but this morning it was not there, and I was like, well, you know. I was kind of like working on stuff and it wasn't working, so I was like, nah, I think it will be not interesting. But now, like, the demo is mostly done. It's like polishing it and stuff, so I think it will be cool. So now, because I plan to do it from my Mac and it's not working now, I'm back on my Linux machine, and well, I don't have the project, so we'll start by cloning it. So it's called learning tool. Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, let's do this. I'll open it. Cool. 3 lambdas. Yeah, but 3 digital friends. Lenders. Yeah, I'm happy for them, but I celebrate a little bit less when it's digital. Oh, but like I didn't start the stream, like the recording. I should do start, and what it is today, is it learning? Or maybe it's AI? Let's put it in learning for now. And I will rebrand it after the stream. Okay, so I need to make this thing a little bit bigger, or a lot bigger. Yeah. And then I will need to do a copy of that. Oh, am I doing a copy of that? Yeah. I'm doing a copy of that. Then I'm renaming it. And it needs to be development, I think. And then I need to put my key here. So if you allow me, we'll go back to I'm not showing my screen page. Come on. Just so I could quickly find my key, put it there, change the screen. Whoops. That's the one I want. I want this key. Come on.
Bonjour. Hi.
Frankbird, let me go on my bike. And like, man, you're such a champ streaming when you're biking. It's like, I'm so impressed. Seriously, this guy is a machine. Okay, so look like this is working. Cool. Let me share again my screen. I can go in my little corner. Misery love. You know what? Maybe once I will try. It's just, I don't think you go at my speed. Otherwise, I would try to, like, you know, I don't know, like you could co-stream or something like that. Hey, Benetrus. Hello, welcome to the stream. That's cool. I just noticed the butt. You know, encouraging Fragbird. Oh, Fragbird, last Friday, the chat and I, we were planning. Oh, what's the word when you're planning, like, did I just slam 95? Nice. You know when you're planning something bad, or a prank or something, like your conspiration or whatever. Anyway, like we were chatting about making a parachute game, but rigged. So like we could cheat. Conspiring? Maybe it's the word I'm looking for. I feel like it's not exactly, but yeah, we were like conspiring, thinking about strategy. Like, oh yeah, we could build a parachute game that is rigged. So we could totally make it so like everybody, or like, you know, some names are landing on the target all the time, but like in an obvious way. So like you're about to land here, and like suddenly you just go like beep, and poops, land on the target or something like that. Or the other way around, where like, oh no, that person doesn't land. So even if you're about to land, just like whoop, like, you know, breeze just move you up, just you know, just for fun. You know what? If we do that version, the rig version, I promise I will do a full stream. You will be the only one landing, and everybody else will be like, yeah. So I need to reach out to and stuff. Loft. I think he will agree, and like even probably help me just for fun to create that version. Anyway. Oh, should we look at the game? Let's F5 it, see if it works on the first try. So it is a C#. Let's go for this. It's not, well, hello, my friend. Right, that will be your best day, right, Fragbird? Like I will be like, oh damn, I need to go buy a lotto ticket. I'm the only one landing. So that's the beautiful demo. You recognize that. I don't know why it does that. Like it always kind of like highlight this. And I don't know how it does that, because I cannot do it after. So I don't know what's the state. I'm not sure. Like every time I start, notice that hello world will be kind of like circle. Yeah, you are exactly. You're my favorite devil on my shoulder, Blackbird.
Yay! Yay!
And sorry, Dev, you just landed with 39. Well, you're a digital version of you. That is you, because you're here, right? But is it really you? So yeah, so that's the demo. I'm using Fluent UI, Blazor Fluent UI, because I really like this. It helps me a lot to do something that looks professional without doing too much CSS and stuff. It's not using Aspire, this one. I don't think I will use Aspire, but for this project, because I want focus a lot on the AI part, or like it's for a demo purposes. So like it does a lot of things. So like I want the code to be hopefully clean, but you'll see there's a lot of code anyway, because I try to do multiple things. But anyway, that's the part maybe we'll try to change and restructure today. So when you go video management, it goes and show video. Oh, so we should totally add more video. Oh, didn't work. I did a typo in my name. Pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Unauthorized. Yeah, it's probably the key is missing. Okay. So, I get the key, get environment variable, our configuration. Yeah. So, develop. Oh, there's no E right here. In English, it's development or development. I think that's the cannot. Sorry, I will be forced to do this because I really don't want to show my key. No, it's not like that. What was it? Did I need? Did I do it on the others? Huh? Oh yeah, okay. It's totally in English. I don't need the E there. Sorry. Wrote it in French. What a surprise. I did a typo again. Okay. Okay. There it is. Okay, so when the droppings will pass, we'll be able to see it. So it loads video. We can load more. So let's go on YouTube, load one more, and let's do a French one so we could do a test, because I didn't test if it was working with French. Cool, let's go here, and I look so happy here. Let's take that one. Bonjour. So let's go. Comment déployer vos applications simplement. I should do like French stream, don't you think? But then like I won't have any friends with me though. It's not true. I'll probably have friends. I feel like I need to put the name before the URL, even if like the URL is the priority here. Okay, so now you do add video, and it's thinking a little bit about it. And then it will take that video from YouTube, copy it. Oh, wonderful. That's also what I wanted to try. It's very ugly though. So now we see the status is pending because like it's processing it, it's indexing it and stuff. I think I can remove that column because it's useless. So when like you select no video, you could say you could ask a question in general, or if you pick a specific video, you could ask a question. So you could say, hey, like okay, well, so What is the color of the t-shirt? Something like that. Obviously, like you could put some like, what was the topic of the video, or like something like this. And then say, a man in the video is wearing a gray t-shirt. Right now, one of the thing I could do also is make this clickable, so it open kind of like YouTube. I think we can stream it from Reka API. If I go docs, because yes, it is using Reka API, right? So in the vision, I think in video management, can I video response and indexing list, get video, upload, no, okay, so I cannot. I could. No, so yeah, okay. You know what? So let's fix this. But I am wearing like a gray t-shirt, so you can trust me. It is true. In that video, I'm wearing a gray t-shirt, but for a few seconds, have I think this hoodie, so like a blue hoodie. So you could ask like, or like headphones. So like you could ask when someone is wearing a headphone or something like that. In fact, if I remove this, I could say, person with headphone. Is it headphone or headset? I feel like let's put this. So because I didn't select any video, what it does, it will search right now in only two, in the two indexed video, it will search between them and it will reply with so I found like in that one, so I got 5:13 at 6:37 in 2 minutes. Apparently there's someone with headphones. I feel like that's a lie, but this could be true. It's all pretty sure. So if we go, so it's that video, right? Is it that video? No, it's dab start. Doing that, you need though to specify that you want to use the chat. Did you do specify your models? The dab video, where is it? Here. Specifying the top. So here I am with, so like when I start, like I don't have, like I have, this is my gray t-shirt we were talking earlier. And then, so like that's why I'm saying like at 2 minutes, I don't have this. So that's a wrong. But at 5 something, I'm here. Oh, it's not that hoodie, it's another one. But I'm here with my headset because I realized while editing the video that I missed sharing some information. So that was like the future Frank in the video. So yeah, so it does that. Okay, so cool. So that still kind of worked. And so now we can go here. This the other video is. Let's check if that other video is now indexed. Yeah. So we could click that. And I will try. I don't know like how it will react or manage because the video is in French. So I'm curious. So let's try that. So we could ask a question. We did it earlier, right? But we could also say studying. So prepare studying tools about the topic covered. Oh, not convert, but covered. I need to remove the T in this video. So I can generate that. Oh, okay. We need to fix also that we should have like something showing progress. I don't know why it's missing. Where the cat is landing. Yay! Does the digital friends have white name and the real player, the real person have kind of orange name? Did I just notice that? So now like it look the video, it's now talk. So in that video, by the way, I was talking about EZD, the CLI, Azure Developer CLI, and I can explain how to use it. So cool, it wrote in English. Like the video is in French, but it wrote in English, so they explain everything. It come with stuff, and like so then like I has to create questions. So like he's asking question like with different answers. So which is the command, blah 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 blah, and then like you have this. Then you have the real answers with the explanation. So generate that. Or if you want to learn how to present, you could say, hey, evaluate my presentation skill for that, and like give feedback, right? So you could do that. Again, I'm not sure why it should have like a progress bar, so we'll have to fix that. And I'm assuming, well, like I think we'll start by like I will show you the code after. So what do you think? Is it a cool demo? It's kind of a cool demo, right? So the presenter demonstrate the strong presentation skill, blah blah blah. So like, you know, then further enhanced presentation could consider sorry. So that's the demo. So now if we look to the code, everything goes into the page video management. Well, video management, and there's a service that we created called Recavision service. Those are the main thingy. So here I'm using this, like I have a grid, and like it's like that's kind of like just the UI part, right? So all the component. Though, see, I had a progress thing, so I'm not sure why I wasn't showing. Well, we'll have to fix that. In the service, oh my god, that's a silly comment. It wasn't working earlier this morning, and I use AI to kind of like help me. I thought it was me, and then just like the docs was not matching the version, so it wasn't me. It created a bunch of comments that sometimes I feel like, you know, this is not a helpful comment. It doesn't help. Like this, when you run documentation or like for like discoverability, yeah, that helps. But even that, it's not up to date because there's no index anymore. So yeah, so to add a video, I'm just calling, and I kept that. I created tools so you could save response file to examine and stuff like that. There's a lot of log. I feel like maybe what we could do is like maybe light the logging a little bit. I'm not sure. I feel like it's a lot of log. It's good, but at the same time, I don't know. delete. I want to show you more the AI thingy. So search. What you need to do is really kind of like call a search hybrid, and then you pass your query. The query in our case earlier was a person with a headset or headphone, I think I wrote. So that's the query. Then I say max result, return 3, and the threshold, I put 5. I could put maybe like 7 or something like that. So it's a bit more, let's go for, whoops. Let's go for 6, 60%. And then serialize that, get my answer, put it back, and send it back. And it's the same thing. So it's very, very easy to use that AI because it's API. You just call an API. Could it be easier than that, right? So I think right now here, there's a lot of repetition. Because initially I was not planning to do that much inside the, well, first, sorry about that. There was a thing where, home, I think. Yeah, home, hello world. I think it's a layout. Yeah, learning tool. We'll have to make it pretty and put some stuff, but I just want to, oh yeah, that was the typo where I say convert, right, at some point. Video management, thumbnail, forgot where I was, ask, progress. Oh, prepare studying tool for the topic, cover like this. Well, yeah. That's even better, right? Okay. Evaluate my presentation for, okay. Okay, so now we need to understand, I think I want to move. Hey, Ceramo. Hello, hello. Yeah, it is. And it's free, by the way. You could, well, like, it's free. Like, if you want to build an app and just have fun to learn, it's free. And then if you want to go in production and have something, your developer free key won't do the cut, obviously, but price is very compiling. Like, it's cheaper than other provider of AI. So like, there's a lot of repetition. I will just go the code smaller so we could see a little bit more. So like, there's that grid at the top. I think that grid has its place, right? This page is called video management, that's the list of the video. So I feel like that needs to be there. Then I have the actions. There's 3 possibilities, like, so there's for one video and multiple videos. So I think maybe I should do like split that into different component. Samo, do you know Reka? I don't want to transform this stream into an ads. I work at Reka, so I will share that. I'm happy to do it and like answer all your questions, but I don't want to push it too much if like you just want to chill and look at the code. So I will put that here. And to get your key, you could go in the, well, you could go, if you go, I think if you go playground, is it like, I remember like it's platform, but I thought we had like a link. So vision, oh, yeah, okay, so, oh, I'm hiding it. Frank, you're hiding it, other corner. So if you go, let's go again. Oops. From Reka, you could go playground. So here you could try research. Research, I did demo recently about that, and it's pretty cool. So it's web research. So like you have an agent doing in the background web research, online research. That's pretty cool. It will bring back information. I build in JavaScript MCP server that check-in documentation page and read, like, so you could check in documentation like a FAQ or something like that. I want to rewrite it in .NET. And yesterday I was looking at the .NET community at Microsoft stream, and they were talking about, that would be cool to have that. And I was like, oh, I'm writing it, guys. But like it's really like right now the .NET version is really an empty project, so I couldn't say anything. And it would be bad, I feel, sharing like a JavaScript version, but on the .NET show anyway. So from here, you try, let's say, vision, and then you have at the bottom, you have API platform. If you go API platform, you log in, it's free, and then you will have keys. I don't want to show it because it will show my keys, I'm pretty sure. Let me validate that, and then I can. Does it show what's hiding? Okay, it's not showing. So like dashboard, you see your key here. You could create as many keys as you want, so you could split stuff. You could, and it's so like there's a free tier. So like you have for a month the equivalent of $10, but with $10 you could do a lot of stuff, and it's renewable every month. That's for the free tier, and then there's $25 for I don't know how many tokens. It's pretty cheap. Anyway, so you could try visual stuff. So that's what I think. That's what I thought I wanted to demo, but sharing the code. So you could share stuff. Oh, there's meta tagging I didn't do. I think it's enough for now in our case. Yeah, so feel free anyway to go there. Oh, yeah, okay. Should write create bug maybe on yeah, so I don't forget about it. Should I? Yes. Cool. I think that will be it for now. Yeah, so let's fix that one since it's easier. Can I get those here? I'm not even sure. Oh, I have this open. Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay, so do this. Boom. Commit and push. Great. Mr. Copilot. I don't use all the time, Mr. Copilot. I wish I could use I could plug I wish we could bring our own AI. My AI is like not hosted on Azure. It's not running locally right now, so I cannot do it. So how do you, oh, like with MCP tool, you're creating those, Marcus? I know Get Kraken, they have like a new MCP server. I did use their CLI at some time, but often I like the UI because then like kind of there, and like the aligning the text and writing the text make me think about all the stuff I want to include into the bugs, and that's why I like to do it manually. But how would you use Copilot? Is it with like an MCP tool, like the GitHub MCP, and then like you say, hey, create a thing? No, like how do I? Well, I need a tool. I cannot just say here like create. Can I? Like this? Oh, why don't you? It doesn't want me to show you. I think you need like an MCP server. Yeah, now I will try to do it. Nope. You have the cloud button. What? So I'm guessing it, like you have like a tool or something like that. You have like MCP tools or something like this. I have, like I you know, I don't, yeah. When I'm on camera, sometimes like I prefer use a little bit less, like, or a different set of tools. Let's put it that way. Yeah. So like you need the GitHub MCP plugins. It makes sense. It's super cool. But like I said, I really that for that part, I really like it. Do it manually because it helps me think about what I want. Like the comment message in GitKraken, for example, that I don't care what I do, and like you could do it also in VS Code. Is I change the prompt though. So where is it? Preferences, and then I go AI and say do this. Oh, I didn't do it on this computer. And usually I say use the oh yeah, convention commit messages. Go. But I shouldn't try to drop too much since I already landed kind of in the middle already. But yeah, so, and one thing that is super cool is you could bring your own API key, and in a future release, because I found a bug, I'll be able to bring Reka Research, not Reka Research, but Reka API in there and use like Reka Chat. So I thought that would be cool. Okay, so now issue I have here. So make the title clickable. So I want to create a branch for this issue. It looks perfect. Cool. So let's work on that. Am I in the no. Oh man. Switching from different, like I right now I'm using this keyboard. Usually I have another keyboard. This one is just like easy because it's cable-less. And this morning I was trying to use my split keyboard to get better at it, but then I tried to use it on Mac and I was like, oh my god, like I cannot do a lot of stuff I cannot do, because like when I did all the shortcuts, lurk, no problem. Like nothing was working. Oh, I was on my split keyboard for like 5 minutes and I was like, I cannot work. I need to like update it. Okay, so what I want here is to make the title clickable. So here, instead of having like a property column, I think we'll have to have a template column and create a link. So for that, we'll do template column. Title will be title. And obviously, this keyboard is a bit different. I think this is good, like this. And in there, oh no, it is sortable. Though I think to be sortable, I need to specify which column is sortable with. What? What? No. Pretty sure, yeah, URL. Target blend. Is it the sortable that doesn't like? Unclose tag. That's a glitch, right? Oh, maybe I should go. So that's one thing I don't like in VS Code. It's sometimes the UI. What is it again? The compiler is. I always forget the name. The Orlean? No, not Orlean. Is it Orlean? The compiler, whatever. Like it get confused. So now it's thinking it's not working. Though template column, if I want a template column to be sortable, I need to specify how. So let's go validate how. So here we'll go Fluent Blazor, and we'll go in component and data grid and template column. Okay, so if we look here, template column, sort by, and there's the sort name. Oh man, no, really? Need to create that sort by. Well, let's do it. Okay. So we'll have to create a property. Wonderful. One more. We didn't have enough. Private. Probably not a constant. We need something like this. A grid sort a video, and it will be sort by title, and grid sort video by ascending video. Let's put B instead of P, and let's put it on a single link ascending by v dot title. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, right? So now, going back here, could say sort by title. And we need the app before. And now it's not working. Can I just like reload? Let's try to just reload the window. See if it fix the false error. Or maybe we could open Rider. Try to continue in Rider. I know on Friday I tried to... the only thing it was complaining, I noticed Rider was complaining on my Mac that it wasn't supporting .NET 10, and this project is in .NET 10. See, now the error is gone. So let's have a look. Can it run? Can it run? Let's go here. See? How does... I don't even understand how H1 is like with the contour. I don't know. I don't think it does that on yeah, you're not that lucky today, GT, yeah? Cool. So now if we go here,
This is my terminal, and that are the two words that will generate.
well, it is a rig game, so it's not. Oh, that's cool. It didn't open the YouTube link. It opened the current. So I'm streaming.
Install
That's
it
cool.
globally because it will be much simpler. Microsoft Data API build.
Lovely. Cool. So now we have clickable thingy. So it's only rigged for you on Friday. That's why you it only work for you on Friday. Well, that's it. We fixed it. Yay! That was easy. Oh yeah, I could clean it. Could remove that. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I will keep the space here. I like when it's a column template, I like to have like a space, so it'll help me to visualize. And when it's like a property column, I don't mind having it kind of like all stick together, because usually they are kind of like a one-liner thing. Could be just me though. Not it could. Definitely me. Okay, let's go in here. Let's stage that. Use AI to generate our little feature. Enhance the video title display. Improve the title management by... It's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So now I could push. Yay. Wonderful. So now I could go here, remote. And I cannot make this bigger, unfortunately. Now the thing I like the most is I could just like drag and drop to start a pull request. It populates everything. I think you should do fix and then this. Yeah. The CLI is pretty cool. but I feel like those are too simple to use the CLI. Yeah, delete the branch. It's fixed now. It is fixed. So now we could maybe create the single video component. Should we continue in Writer, or do we want to continue here? That's the question. Wonderful. So now we could create single video action. That's the one I want. Create a branch for this issue. Cool. Single, right? I think the multi was easier. Yeah. Let's do it. Okay. Do we want to try to let Copilot do it just for fun? Yeah, let's try that. How bad could it be? So bad. So I want all this, right? Yeah. No. How do you, nope. It's not Control-Shift-I? Oh, I don't have AI. Yeah, I have AI. Control-Alt. Oh. Right. Cool. What model are we using? Oh, 4.5. Okay, transform or export. I was wondering. Yeah, let's do that. So let's call it single action, video single action, video single search. No, single video search. Yeah. Or single video action. Single video action, I think it's better. Export this code into a new component, call or name single video action. Let's see what happened. Claude Sonnet 4.5 is in preview. All client enable. Oh yeah, okay, enable it. enable it. Go, go, go!
Yay!
Fred the cat is landing again. Oh, called by mistake. I see what you did there, but it won't work. Maybe I should have took like another model. Maybe 4.5 is like super. It's a new model, right? Was it announced this week? I think it was. So maybe everybody's using it. So I'm being what's the word? Trouble. Lurky Dev is landing. Wonderful, wonderful. Digital friends are always landing. Come on, you've been working, but like I don't see anything. Mr. Copilot, I don't think it's working very well. Now create a new single view component update. The view, yeah, it's working, but it's. I think Cloudy's chat will have to stop it. Let's give it a few more seconds. Whoa, whoa. I got scared. I just created like an empty file. Oh, okay, it's need import. Okay, okay. Cool. Okay, the other one was a dialogue. That one is not a dialogue. It put it in page. No, it. Okay, it put it in component. Maybe I should have like. I don't know. Like it's not the dialogue. It's not layout. It's not page. Not sure. Like, should I put it like in components? Components? Or shared maybe? What will make sense in terms of structure? I forgot. I did ask at some point Jeffrey Fritz about that. Forgot his answer. He does so many different projects that I'm sure at some point he developed like a pattern he likes. I think I put it in share, but I'm not sure if like it's only me or if it's like a. I could ask Copilot. I could ask Reka Chat. Let's do that. Let's go app just for fun. You know, while we're waiting for an AI, let's chat with the second one. Let's go chat. And go here and let's say what is the best rack? This is for the folder structure of components. Not sure I will know the answer. Yeah, it doesn't know. That's just no. Okay, so create a new component, blah blah blah. Cool. Extract the functionality. Ask question. Evaluate question. Oh yeah, that was also a thing I needed to like restructure. So looking forward to how they wrote that. Replace the code by the single action select video. Okay. Component interface, new component. Cool. So let's have a look. So this is all removed. It makes sense, and it's replaced by this. That makes sense. I won't keep it now, although we have a branch, so let's keep it. So now we are in the single component, so we did do that. So it's using Marting. Marting, if you don't know, it's a great project. Let me spend 2 seconds share about that because it's really cool. Can I search this? Yes. This is a project that I use in some of my projects, so I have a dependency, and that's why I'm sponsoring this project. Well, in fact, that guy. XOOFXF. I forgot, like Alexandre. Great project that play with Markdown. So great project. Let's put that in the notes, show notes, because I think it's a great tool if you're doing C#. Can convert, and that's why when like we were asking question, the answer was like very well formatted because I asked to do it in Markdown, so then I get it back and flip it to like HTML. And I also use that and that package in the note bookmark. I really like that one. Okay, so he moved that so the tabs are there. Okay, so like the searching here, we'll have to fix that. I'm guessing we'll have the same problem. At least now, like it's all grouped, like it makes sense. And now if we have an answer, we'll show the answer. Great. Parameter, we received that. Search term is searching. Cool. And we'll have to like the three are very similar, so I'm guessing we could do a better job. We could do a better job, but then I want to keep it so it looks simple. So sometimes like it's better copy paste, because you know you could see that they are all very similar. It's just like, you know, sometimes I take the not sure how we'll do that. Maybe I could have like a function when you click on the button, it will pass where it's coming from. And from there, I will do different, like I will set the search term differently. And then, yeah. And then I will call the action, so it will be only one. Yeah, I think that will be the next thing to do. But that looks legit. Move everything, cool. Let's keep it. They did not do also imports. You know what? Let's ask this Copilot, see if it knows. Let's force it to check. So I'm asking, like, this component here, should it be placed in a subfolder? What people are usually doing? Okay, Karen, I was like, he's saying exactly like it is. Like, it doesn't feel like it's very smart. Okay, so he's saying like component video. No, maybe shared. So that's what I like usually, shared. Yeah, I like shared. Come on. Come on. Stop reading it. Just move it. Move. Why? Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Come on, it's a bit long. Are you not supposed to be super fast? Skip. Okay, bye. I don't want you anymore. Okay, let's .NET build it. Cool, it's working. Let's run it just like that. Let's have some fun. We're crazy here. Oh my god. Should I go in the other corner? I think I am better here. I think I had less stuff. Oh, what? Are you again all... Yeah, you didn't like it, huh? You didn't like it. Let's do a .NET clean. Okay, and .NET build. And if we keep having issue, though, yeah, I will do like another component, so maybe we'll still have that issue again. But okay, so now let's try to run it. Should work, right? Yeah. Cool. So we did single, so let's go here. Let's go create content for study. So in terms of UI, it looks pretty good. We still need to fix that bar, and all the content was good. Not sure why, like, this is red and this is red and this is black. I'm guessing because those are command. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's do for my thumbnail. Just realized I need to cover something for the thumbnail. Should have like a CB doing that for me. Okay, so component works, but now let's clean it up a little bit. So we need so when is searching through, the progress bar should be there. Right now, the progress bar is not showing, but it's always the same ID. Could that be the problem? Also, I think I need to create another version of that. So I think what we'll be doing is, like I said, I'll say private, private async task, yeah, and will be do action. It's a very poor name, right? And we'll receive something. So I'm thinking I could create an enum. Yeah, let's do that. Cool. Perfect. Exactly what I want. Cool. Exactly what I want. So now I think here we'll do a bar and it will be instruction. And it will be a string empty. Oh, I can see you're still believing, GT. I have 95. I'm just telling you, right? I don't wanna say it's in the pocket. Well, let's go in the other corner. But I have 95. Okay, so if it's not, but it's true that it's not. But I don't know. Like I don't know. I'm sure like it's not. Okay, so when we ask an action, we just pass. Yeah, okay, so instruction. Equal exactly. And here instruction yeah, lovely, cool. And here so now here it's maybe like prepare action instead. So now we could do like do action. Like this, and it will receive a string, and it will be the instruction. So is search equal true? So now I can put all this like this. No, like this, man. Oh, it did work. Okay, it did work. Cool. In comment. So here I'm saying like, hey, like you should do this, buddy. See, that's where I'm whoop. Here, I create a pipeline, and you could just do like markdown to HTML if you want. Like, let me put it bigger. Earlier, I was talking about like the markdown tool. You could just do markdown to HTML and it works fine. But when you have like implicit line and like maybe grid or something like that, you want to use the advanced extensions. So you could just do like this, and you pass the pipeline, and then like it will all be fancy and look prettier. So now prep action, do action. Well, we need to call it here. So here we should do do action. Voila. So now prepare action, the different button will have to do that. So here we are in the Q&A. So we do prepare action.
Yay!
Ask question.
Yay!
Lurky Dev, Copper Bird, and unoriginal jerk landed. That's good, that's good. We're getting there. So there's one. So now we are in studying. So unclick. It's prep action, help studying. Wonderful. And here, wonderful. So that clean up a lot of stuff. So now I wonder, let's go see the progress. If there's a property like visible or invisible or something. Progress. Right? Because like you could just use it this way. If you set a value, it will look like this and you can manage it. But like for me, I just want it to move all the time. Stroke and color. Oh yeah, I could change the color. Interesting. Pause, but not pause. Oh, visible. Aha! So I could set visible. So instead of having a bunch of stuff. Yeah. Let's say visible equal and this, and I remove that. Maybe I don't need the ID now. Right? In fact, I never needed that. No, I want a space. I want a space, though I don't need a space here. But this other thing helped me. I know it's just logic, it's not. Yeah, that looks good. Oh no, that's a parameter. Okay, let's have a space. That's good. We did simplify a lot of that, right? Let's see. Will it run? Will it run? I'm hungry. Oh, it's not running. Oh, 3 errors. Oh, what? Do I need to do the unclick? I could do this and then do something like this. Will it prefer that? No, still. Or is it like then I need to do some like fat arrow? Nope. I do that all the time. Like it's different when I need to pass a parameter. Button. I'm pretty sure I won't see here the code with content. Let's have a look, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they don't do anything. Unclick, yeah, okay, so. Yeah, that's what I do. Oh, with like capital O, unclick, like this. Do you prefer this? To error. Okay, so yeah, it preferred this. Fine. Fine. So without. Oh, yep. Yep. That was nice, Copilot. That was nice. I like sometimes the next really gets what I'm planning to do. 2 digital friends landed again. Damn. But sometimes it's annoying, and I often have to disable it because it's just kind of like in the way. But it's nice, you know, you could disable it if you want. I read a blog post from Mark, I think, where it was like sharing how to disable Copilot, because every time he does a talk about Copilot and things, there's always people who say, yeah, but how can I disable it? So like he wrote a blog post, so now he can send people to that blog post. And I was like, it's so true. Each time I was doing something like that's exactly like the kind of question I was having. Okay, so drum roll. Do I have a drum roll effect? I don't. I thought I had the drum roll effect. Or maybe it's my Twitch thingy sound. I don't know. I felt like I had the drum roll. Oh, that's this one.
I got a bad feeling about this.
You need to be positive. So it looked the same. Now what we want is, okay, well, let's go with this one. Let's generate study stuff for this. Oh, I like that. It failed. Interesting. No, this one. Everything should be luck. Is it a bug? It's a demo. But I shouldn't be able to click anywhere when that thing is done. So it was working. It worked perfectly. Oh, but like we still didn't see the progress bar, isn't it? Did I miss that? Missed that. Yeah. Okay, so we're not seeing the progress bar. Why? Like, is it supposed to be there, right? Why it's not present? And we should make answer false when we click that button when we prep. Okay, so let's stop this. It's in the card, it's here, is search. By default, it's false. So it's okay that it's not visible. When we get in prepared, we should do this equals stringing key. Yeah. So that part will vanish, will look cleaner, and is searching. Is searching equal true? Oh. Okay, so we proved that we don't need that, so I ran it once.
Yay!
For some reason, I got excited for a split second where I thought it was like a GT or something blended. But no, it's a digital friend again. So why? Maybe I can, no, I want it into the card, not in the stack. Oh, it is in the stack. Here it's vertical. Maybe I don't want it in the stack. But yeah, it's vertical. Here it's in the stack. The stack is vertical. Here it's not in the stack because the stack is horizontal, but it was not working. Do I need to do like a redraw or something? Like a update thing? You know, like a status change or something like that? Like loading is true. There was a search also. Saw that. Where is it? S. Huh? Like it's not a competition of like having the fancier control, but label, menu, overlay, panel, persona, pop, profile, progress ring, push to refresh, pull to refresh, splash, toast, progress. I'm sure I saw something about search, progress ring. That's crazy. Saw that. Or maybe inform. Search. Could use that. No, I don't want to use that. I don't want to use that. Okay, I put breakpoints. Maybe. Like we have a wait here, so it shouldn't go it finally before it's done, right? Right? So if I go, you know what? Let's put a breakpoint here instead of there. Because when we're here, we should see the... Okay. I changed the angle of my thingy, but I don't like it. Okay. Let's run again. So maybe I need to do like an update the screen kind of thing, and now it's false. I forgot how it's called. The event. So I'm saying when is searching is set to true, the fluent progress, let's put it between, should be visible, but it's not working, but it's not. How can I refresh the UI so that change is showing? Oh, I should stop the... Feel like it's a valid question, right? Oh, state change. Yeah. That's the thing I was looking for. Cool. Okay, cool. I think that's what the thing was missing. Forced to refresh the UI. That comment is useless, but whatever, we'll remove it. Nice. So I picked this and now I say studying. Nope. Maybe let's do a empty cache dot reload. This. Nope. Why? Why it's not working? Oh, what's that? Is it this? Ah, it's this. Where's that coming from? From behind. Interesting. Do you see this glitch here? Now, if I add shadow, it's even worse, right? If I put my hand close, you see it's green, so you see the green. It's because I have a window that side, and at this time of the year, at that time, the sun is kind of like peeking through, and it's putting a very strong light. It's direct sun behind that green thing, but from behind. So it's glowing green. That's cool. Okay, so it still doesn't work. Oh, does it need to be interactive something? Could it be that? Oh, maybe it's just this. Oh, damn it. But no, like I'm typing stuff and it was working. Like, is it like this? The interactive whatever? What's stream rendering? I didn't put that up. What's stream rendering? I don't want stream rendering. I have no idea what it is. Do I need this in my component? Let's just run that, but after that, I think I will Google it. I'll Bing it. Glitch in the matrix. Here, you mean? Yeah, it's totally a glitch in the matrix. Well, like now the sun is gone. So like it's very, you know, for if in the morning in falls, I have direct sun. The sun just peek corner, beep beep, and like hit my face and like the screen, and in the late afternoon go that way. Okay, no, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this, studying. It's not working. Okay. So I'm sure it's something obvious.
Yay!
I need to do this. Oh, you know what I could do is check what I did in my. Maybe I need to do. Yeah, I thought it was that. In the let's go in my other projects. Let's say two dungeon 6. Like we have plenty of those, right? Like it's something obvious that I forgot right now. It's just not coming in my. It's just not popping. Let's go shared. No, I don't have those things. So why? I do a state change here. But I don't understand. It was working before. Is it? You know what? Let's do a test. Let's stop this. Let's do a test. Single video action. So let's do this here. So it's always visible. Is searching is true. It should be true, right? I mean, we could do it here instead. And another thing I just thought is, where is it? So, oh, that's in the here. Oh, there's always that flickering at the beginning. Oh, but I'm doing an override, so I don't know what it is then. I thought I forgot to do the override. Maybe because I'm in the component? So I need to kind of like pop up that the state change. Like I was doing here, I think. Where is it? Yeah, here I do like invoke. So I change. Do I need to do that? I'm not sure what to think. Why it's not working? So let's just check if if it's visible, because I forgot which one we did put always there. It was the Q&A. Q&A is always there. So let's see. If we go here, we pick one, so it's there, it's visible. It's very close though. Let's validate something here. What it is. It's called progress. So here, at that place, when I click, something should show up. Oh, it is there. But it's not visible. Because the size of the thing That's the problem. Oh man. Okay, we got it. Yay. So this is part of this, and the height of that is not big enough. So I need to, maybe I will set the height. That's the thing. Okay. So the problem is, so now we get it. So we can do a control. What? Okay. I can put it back. Cool. So the thing is, it's in the card. So the card width is that. And there's I can okay, let's see. I thought by default it was auto. If I go here, card, there's restricted and unrestricted. So right now, I guess we are in restricted, and unrestricted, it go outside, but I don't want to go outside. I want the card to kind of stretch. By so area restricted by default. Yeah. Okay, so let's try two different things. So here I will put height auto. I think by default that's what it is anyway, right? And the second one with the card will do restricted, and we'll put false. So I think that will be ugly, but will work. So like the progress bar will show up, but kind of like outside the thing. And on the last one, let's put a number. We still have it open? Yeah. So if I examine that's the card, right? So right now it's what? So that's the tab, but the card, because it is in the card. What's those numbers? Make no sense. 78? We could put 100. Let's put 100. So let's do 100 px. So we have auto, unrestricted, and this. Let's have a look. Did you drop? Did you land GT? Let's roll. There's still, oh no, GT still never landed. There's still a lot of zeros today. And Groversaurus 87. No. DVD Gamer, hello. No, it's not the rig version. It's not the rig version, it's the real one. A rig will be fun, right? Hello. How are you? I thought you said you will be streaming this morning. So I didn't stream, and then I was like, I will watch him while I work, and you were not there. And I was disappointed. It's totally your right to not stream. Okay, so here, so if we do this and we say no stream. It's okay. Time off is good, my friend. We did saw the progress bar, am I right? We saw that, right? Yes. Oh, so the first one was just auto. This one, we still don't see it. So first one was just putting auto. This one, unrestricted, didn't work. And this doesn't look like it's working. Okay, so auto it is. Cool. Did we add something else to? Let's validate it works. I'm already kind of like, okay, what's next? Well, I will stream on Wednesday then until you get better, TBD. So take your time. I'll try to wait. What? Why it's not working? It's working in QA. Well, next week I may not be able to do it on Wednesday. I think I will be traveling back, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. I don't want to open a calendar. I'm afraid of what I will show if I share a calendar. Let's do that off screen. Yeah, next week I'll be traveling back, so I won't be able to stream on Wednesday. Maybe, we'll see. But today I was excited initially because I wanted to stream from, well, like not from, like I'm always using two PC. And I didn't want to like change it all my setup. So I said, you know what, I will just, instead of plugging my Linux laptop, I will plug my Mac laptop. And nope, it's not working. Because Mac obviously have something special. So it didn't work. Like some production thing. Like if for example you're playing Disney or whatever, like you cannot use your capture card. Yeah. But for me, I just want to use it so I could see it in my monitor and still, you know, send it to OBS. So I'm like, and it's my screen. It's legit. So I don't know, like maybe there's like a thing that I could do, but I don't know. And I was using the external port, so I need to figure that out, because though usually it's direct, so I could see it. So it's really, so it's the card that was blocking it, because I could see it in my screen. Anyway, I will have to figure it out. But yeah, technology is a pain. Yesterday my wife was like, I want a book, but it's not on Amazon, it's on like that other platform. So like, do you think I could switch it? And I was like, well, that will be fun. You know, it's like for her, but like on another device. I was like, yeah, we should be able to do it, but so Q&A works, but we are in the Fluent card, but outside the Fluent stack. And here we are inside the Fluent stack. So guess what I'm doing? I'm moving out. If it's that one change that fixes everything, man, I'm out. Man, I'm out. I thought it was simpler, but I remember having so much. Stack is nice, but there's fancy thingy in it. I know. Yeah. There's a lot on his heart. Yay! Less technology, no stack, and it's working. Wonderful. Cool. Oh, we don't do that here, Mr. or Miss Butt Thingy. And unfortunately, we'll just bye you. Choop. Excellent, it's working. Nice. So we have this, so now we could do like another component, and we'll be in good shape. Did you catch enough of what that app is, TBD? Because I could do a tour if you want, if you're interested, or maybe you're not that much interested. It's fine. I won't take it personally. I won't take it too personal. I wonder what this is though. I'm like, Cool. So we didn't finish this thing, and now I think it's much cleaner. Much, so we could push our code. See, we remove all that code. and just generate this. Zoop. Well, we still like simplify the logic instead of a lot of copy paste. There's still that is very similar, but I'm not sure if reusing it, part of it would be yeah, it is. That's for a demo, so like I want it to be clear. So sometimes like it's, you know, you're jumping in new code, sometimes it's better to have copy paste instead of like too much gymnastic. But I think that's good. So okay, prepare action if you do this, blah blah blah. I think it's good. So push this and do a quick change. Commit. Push. Boom. Excellent. So now we have this. We could merge it to main. Create our pull requests. Excellent. And do fix number 2. It's not what you think. Oh, it was there. I like when it says fix. Cool. Let's merge. Booyah! And yeah, delete the branch. Great. So now only one issue left. Oh my god. But like after that, it's like creating all the doc. But it's looking good. Looking good. Feel like tomorrow I will be able to finish the slide, time myself, like how I want to show things, and I will be golden. And tomorrow also I have a meeting, or I think with like someone for Discord. Someone want to help us with Discord apparently. Cool. So let's go main. Let's pull. Let's delete those old branches. Okay, so let's GitHub issue refresh, s'il vous plaît. Create multiple action component. Oh yeah, let's create this. And the success we have with the previous one, I feel like we should reuse it. Reuse Copilot again. Let's go a little bit smaller so we have a better global view. And I think, so before, like yeah, it's here. So I think the health, it's this, right? Yeah. So let's bring back Mr. Copilot. So export this code into a new component named multi-video action. And instead of Claude, I saw Grok. Let's try that one for fun and see if it works better. If it work better. And I was also planning to use a writer, but this project is in .NET 10, and I was having like a little notification that was saying that Rider doesn't support yet .NET 10, though it did work. And then like in the like, oh quick, I want like to stream now, like in swapping laptop and stuff, I started VS Code. Any user of Podman in the chat? I did install it this morning and test it, and what was I trying to do? Oh yeah, I start Podman and I was using it in terminal and it was working fine. And then sometimes I like to have like a UI, right? That's why I love so much Git Kraken. So I tried to plug Portainer, but it apparently doesn't support it yet. In my version, I need to use CentOS, but I'm using Debian, so yeah. That looks good.
Yay!
TBD Gamer, and you beat me. 96. TBD, there's still hope. After 2 months. Awesome. Wednesday's pretty much my day. 2 on 2 after months of landing. Oh, did you land on another stream, or you land previously on this stream and I missed it? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Hein? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Oui. I don't have the same issue as you have for the dog. Mine is much smaller. I think she just let me double check. I think she want a treat because she did something good. Okay, so yeah, I know this. Yeah, that looks good. It's pretty good. Okay. Yeah. A cow. Okay. Vestino. Let's close this. I'm surprised that I catch the same people than usual. I was expecting to catch a different crowd. I'm happy to see you otherwise, but I'm just surprised. Well, looked like it worked pretty smoothly. And here the code was much simpler. Yeah, okay. That was weird. You know what? Give me a second. I heard something like a rock getting in a window or something. Maybe it's a bird in the window. I'll come back in a few seconds. Sorry. No idea what it is. I didn't see anything. Now I'm even more scared than before. Because I don't know what it is. Peux-tu revenir, toi? No? Okay. So where I was? remember. I don't remember. Let's F5 it. I think I was just looking at the code.
Yay!
Sturdy Dev landed. The Cryptographer landed. Okay. Could close this one. Okay, I could close this. Could close this. Okay, so now I have this. So I think we're good. It was working. I think in terms of UI, everything was fine. So now, oh yeah, I was talking about Podman. Yeah, because I tried this morning to use Podman, and sometimes I like to use, So sometimes I like to use like the desktop. So I use a Portainer or I use a Docker desktop. And I thought there was a Podman desktop, but I didn't see it. So maybe it's another project. And it was, and then, yeah, Portainer. It's a new Portainer because I used Portainer before. Anyway, I feel like it was not working on my machine. It was weird. I was like, wah! Not sure. Felt like it was weird, but like, I'm running the last Debian Trixie, I think, 13, and there's some stuff that are not supported. So I think we're good with this one. That was a very simple one, right? So we remove code, and we moved code. Yeah, we moved code. So we can stage all that, make a little comment. Do this. No, that's not what I wanted. No. I wish I could. Can I? Push. Cool. So now I could do my PR. Create the pull request. Go on GitHub. Voila, cool. Fix 3. Merge and delete the branch. Yay! Boom. Excellent. Delete that old branch. Delete. Isn't it beautiful? Excellent. I feel like it's smaller than usual. Like it's fine for me, but I like when I stream to have like big text. So like you could, you know, when people like old like TBD gamer, they could still see it. Not all, I know. Cool. So we have the tool is done. Tool is done. I'm happy. Now, if we look, we looked a lot to the UI, but let's look at the service and all the thing. And TBD, if you're still there and you want to be involved, let me know. I want to look at the structure. Oh, and I wanted also to put it in a container. So I have component, I have domain, so I have index status, I have Q&A answer, I have search result, I have video, and I have my service, which bunch of like DTOs file and the service. And here, there's a lot of stuff in here. I hate those useless comment. Like, I don't, yeah, it's called save to file. I guess what it does. Let's try just quickly to remove all the useless comment and thing. Cool. Okay, so that's done. So now, can I make it cleaner? So that's the constructor. It's kind of clean. I don't mind this just because it's about the key. I just want to make sure like how people could set it. After that, I have get all video. I feel like the log could be skipped. I mean, I don't need to log it since I'm throwing it, so I will see it. This one I will keep it because I'm just like sending a new one. So here, the log that you're in, let's remove it. It's cool when you're building it. I'm done with it. Okay, I'm keeping this so people could like experiment. Warning, I'm not putting the log if I'm throwing. Okay, this, let's do that. Here I'm throwing, let's remove this. Let's remove those empty lines. roll and no log. If null, if success, what? If different than success. Well, that could be one. Let's keep it like this for now. I feel like, you know, just like, yeah, something is wrong. No log if you're throwing, because it's a demo app. In a real app, it's good because you have like a trace of your stuff. But in fact, no, like you should not log and throw. Like throw at some place and at like else. I don't know. Maybe you do. Yeah, I think I do. I like that. So like I could display a fancy error message to the client that looks like, oh yeah, look like something bad happened, something like that. So I need to throw, or like I would return like something that mean error, and then I will log it. But here I just want to make it a little bit cleaner. Maybe I should check and like why the one of the status was fail in the indexing, and I'm guessing this is the problem. That was generated. I mean, I could keep it, right? The DTO, I'm fine with that. That's good. So I think we're good for this one. Let's just push that in main directly because we can. And then we could try to wrap it up quickly in a container. So I'm getting tired and hungry. Want to keep it for tomorrow morning. I might do that. So what's left is ducks and wrapping it in a container. Right. That's good. I think that was a good stream. I think it was a good stream. Well, it's, oh yeah, nobody's here, but I updated this. So now it's faster. It showed us stuff. So today's project was in the learning. It's not. It was and you see the winners. Today's winner is TBD Gamer. I thought I was winning. Well, here I need to be. Oh, TBD. I was 95.76 and you got 96.89. Oh my god. And the biggest loser, I thought it would be like GT, but nope, it's Jeff Hats. Jet half stand. Wonderful. Did I create a button for dropping, for stopping it, hiding it? No, is it good? I'm happy for the stream. Thank you a lot for being with me this afternoon on this unplanned, unscheduled day. We'll see you again on Friday. We'll be working on I think we'll be working on the notebook mark and continuing to do research. Did we start research? I think we planned research, so we'll be working on research. So doing AI again, but to search the web for us. That's the plan on Friday, much earlier in the day. So have a good evening or day, depending on where you are, and see you on Friday. And I completely forgot to change my mouse button, so now I need to do that. Bye, everybody.